Okay, that did the trick somewhat. We had no compression on that back cylinder before. Now we got 75 pounds. So I got 150 pounds on these two. I think I got over 100 on that one, maybe 120. 75 here. We got over 100 on these two. These two are showing 60 to 75. So I believe I can crank it like that. I am going to want to put the timing chain and the cam in it, and the gaskets and the intake manifold. So I may just for something to do while I'm waiting for the parts to all get here, flip it over, take the oil pan off, clean it out, see what's in the oil pan, look at some of the rod bearings, lower rod bearings and stuff like that. That's a good place to stop for today. We made a little progress, and we'll call that good for the moment, and then we'll come back to it another day and play some more. Hope y'all are having a fine old day. I'll see ya.